How to turn on comments on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy and then scroll down to the interactions section, and from there click on comments. And as you can see, the who can comment on your videos and stories option is set to no one, meaning that the comments are disabled. So in order for you to allow and enable the commenting on TikTok, you can select one of these two options, whatever suits you the best. And keep in mind that at the top, TikTok tells you others may not be able to comment on the videos that you don't allow in your videos privacy settings. Also, the second section, you have the comment filters, which you have the first option says filter all comments, which will take all the comments to the comment management section at the bottom. As you can see, review filtered comments, and it says only approved comments will be displayed. So every single comment will come right here, and you only will be able to approve them. So only the approved comment will show. The second option, it says filter selected comment types, which has some types of comments that you may want to filter and hold till you review and approve them, such as inappropriate content, curse words, advertisement, and spam, etc. And each one of these has the option to custom the filter. For example, you can make it automatic, which will show all of the comments. Less control, it will hold fewer comments for review, or more control, it will hold more comments for review. That was the second option. And the third option is the filter keywords, and you can filter the comments to go to the comment management section by specific keywords. So maybe you want to filter some keywords, some curse words or spam or stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow and enable the commenting on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.